Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm your Pldt account number, the exact current plan, and that your bill is paid. Once done, make sure your registered mobile or email receives OTPs. You'll need them to authenticate changes. If switching to a higher plan, check available promos and eligibility. This prevents surprises. Keep a photo of your ID handy and note preferred installation windows. These steps speed up the process and prevent repeated requests for documentation when you submit the change. You now submit the change request through My Pldt or the Pldt home website. Log in and pick Change Plan or Upgrade. Once there, compare speeds, monthly fees, and any contract terms so you understand the price versus performance trade-off. Select the new plan, apply any eligible promo, and choose an installation or activation date. Make sure to read any early termination or equipment fees. After you confirm, note the reference number and save screenshots for follow-up. You finish by paying required charges and confirming the activation appointment. Once scheduled, be present for the technician or follow on-screen activation steps if self-service. When the change completes, reboot the modem and run a speed test to verify throughput matches the new plan. If speeds are low, check Ethernet wiring and repeat a modem factory reset if needed. If problems persist, call Pldt support with your reference number. This troubleshooting tips speeds resolution and documents your complaint.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.